Welcome to my Amden Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Windows 11 search bar not working. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your search bar is not working, then I will show you how to fix this. First of all, you need to click on Start menu. You can see here Setting option. Just tap on this. Guys, in left section you can see here Windows Update. Just click on Windows Update. If there is any Windows Update available, you need to click on Install Now. You can see here updates available to install. After installing the update, check whether your problem is solved or not. If not, then I will show you second method. Click on Start menu. Just right click on Start menu. You can see here Task Manager. Just click on this. Guys, you can see here Task Manager has opened. In this you need to find Windows Explorer. Just press W key. You can see here Windows Explorer. Just right click on this and click on Restart. Guys, after restarting Windows Explorer, check whether your problem is solved or not. If not, then I will show you third method. Just right click on Start menu, open Task Manager, click on Services tab. You can see here Open Services. Just click on this. Guys, in this you need to find Windows Search. Press W key. You can see here Windows Search option. Just right click on this, click on Properties. You need to select as Automatic. Then click on Start. Then click Apply. OK. Guys, after doing this, once you have to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, hope your problem will be fixed. Search bar not working in Windows 11. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.